I saw a post that Daddy Freeze made where he said that Peter Obi is a good candidate, but that his followers or the people that are supporting him, that they don't act in a civilized manner. And Daddy Freeze, to be honest, I don't blame Nigerians are angry. You know, I made a video last year and I asked, why are you not angry? Because I was wondering why Nigerians were being very lackadaisical with the things that were happening to them. But seeing with the force and the anger at which they are supporting Peter Obi, I realized that Nigerians are truly angry. You cannot tell a horse how to behave after you have flogged that horse over and over again. One day, that horse will kick you in the face. Nigerians are angry, and to be honest, I'm enjoying this anger because that is, you see, we cannot be civilized and win the election in 2023. We are not dealing with civilized people. We are not dealing with people that will play fair. So Peter Obi might be civilized, but we are angry on his behalf. We are uncivilized on his behalf. Peter Obi, you don't need to show your uncivility. No. Nigerians are going to do it for you because that is the only way we can win that election. If we begin to act civilized, prim and proper, Oyo is our name. Oyo is our case. The only way we can fight the powers that be is through uncivility. There is nothing civilized in being angry and trying to take your country back. Because power is not given. Power is taken by force. This is the only way we can take that power by force. So that if you leave us, so we are uncivilized. We know one here. We know they agree. We don't tire. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Nigerians don't too suffer. Don't worry. After 2023, we go wear our civilization back. For now, we brutal.